heading to find his luggage. Somewhere over here. Where are we gonna go, babe?
Going to SM's Aura.
SM
Aura.
No, I get this. So I'm down past.
Oh, I want that.
Oh, that white one?
The brown one. Remember, I really want a brown.
Oh, it looks so nice at night. These lights. Look at that. So nice. I think we're gonna cross that street and go on all the way down. There's some Samsonite, but Samsonite is kind of expensive for just a simple luggage. Yeah. We got to try to cross this street here. So we're going to head up that way. Ah, I think I remember. Oh, okay. Now I remember. Years ago, I remember coming up in this area. Oh, okay. Last year we was on that side of the street to come over.
There's the restaurants that they have over there that normally people vlogs down there. That's the terminal down there.
Bus terminal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I think we're gonna try to get over to that mall over there. So we're going to head over to that mall right up there. Very popular mall. So busy. All this traffic. People getting off of work. What time is it? Let's see what time it is. It's 7:22 p.m. Wednesday, June 24th. All these people, look at that. Very busy over here. From another skateboarder, motorcycle and a skateboarder. People crossing the street over here. This is a very busy. Oh, they got the crosswalk like Shibuya crossing. Got all the motorcycles here. This is like a crosswalk. Yeah.
You're gonna lose that.
This is like a Shibuya crossing. Look, it's got the cross. Yeah. Okay. I think clicking on it. Not yet. That's the arrow. The person walk sign is way over there. They probably should have put that maybe under the arrow. Because I was about to step out in the street, honestly. Okay. These people gotta stop. They gotta stop. Yeah. Okay. Gotta get over. Get over here, get over here. Yeah. Okay. Really, everyone should just maybe walk on the right side of the street. It wouldn't be so confusing. But we're going to go up here. We're going to go up here.
Your brother. Your brother says.
Wait, this is the one we went.
Yeah, remember there was some baby cats over there last time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we made it inside here. I guess they had an event there, maybe a fashion show, looks like. And it's done. It's all done. That's the thing about the malls in the Philippines, they always have some type of event in the center. Put my backpack back on. Ooh, I was waiting for a moment. Okay, let's see. It's finest luggage. They have a big supermarket right here. Look at this. This big supermarket. And SM Aura. Really, really organized. Look at this place. Chocolate mango. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Okay.
You look.
Run this way. They pointed over this way, but that's her brand right there.
Yeah. Oh. Thank you.
This is backpacks. Luggage. Still looking for luggage. We left out of that other store. They didn't have quite what we wanted. So we're looking into another store. I think it's on down here. Let's see. Maybe it's over here somewhere. Still trying to find this place. Look at those Pumas. Yeah. Pumas is very popular here. I told you guys that before. This is where we bought the luggage last time. My son wants that Airwheel. Guys, do you think Airwheel is a good investment or good something to have? Because I heard that the airlines are going to stop letting people use that as a carry-on. And don't they have like lithium batteries or something? Okay, we're going to look over here.
It was here, the left side.
Yeah, it was over there. Maybe. Look at these shell ones. Something like that. That looked just like it, but it's different color.
There is a black one though.
This is a 4,000, but it's kind of medium.
Look.
Alright guys, we found the luggage. Luggage we're gonna buy. Roughly about 60 something bucks. Just something to carry some extra goods in. Okay, so we don't have to go anywhere else. Now we're gonna buy some extra things to take back home. Stuff that you can only get in the Philippines. Okay, let's go.
We gotta cross to the other side.
Alright guys, real quick, we stopped over here to see if they were going to have anything special. They're not having anything special for this. This is more of an advertisement. And they said you can go into the cinema to watch the series. That's it. They did all this just for advertisement. Okay, we're going to go back over to the portal. Much more alive at night because it's very cool. A lot more people over here. Let's see if we see anyone. There's some people there. Look at that. Yeah. Go there. Go there.
They say hi. There's a lot of people now.
It's cool. You can like react to them.
You can interact with them.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Look at that. Let's say hi. It's like it's Lithuania.
No,
Say
that's
hi.
the U.S.
There you go.
There you go.
So Benny,
This is really, really cool.
yeah.
They should put more of these up. No, it's like London or something.
Oh. Like
Look at the
Dublin
buses.
or something.
Dublin.
You want to sit down here? Or here? Just do
I like at this fancy coffee shop.
Ah, they're still.
Yeah, get them one of those.
What else? You want something here?
No.
Huh?
Does that got sugar in it?
Yeah. You want that?
Yeah. Get one of those. You want to get them, what, 2 croissants? Or one?
Ang hirap yan. Ba, hindi ako nakakita.
Okay, so we stopped at this coffee shop over here. I got a iced lemonade still, and my wife has a Spanish latte. And we got 2 croissants, and then I also got well, they labeled it under 2 croissants, but I have another croissant that's got like sugar on it. It's round instead of shaped like an oval croissant. But yeah, so this is it. I'm gonna call it a day. This is the end of the vlog. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.